This video is about Easy Coops chicken coops, and it is not sponsored. I'm not actually getting paid to make this video. I wasn't asked to make this video, but it is going to sound a lot like an advertisement because I can't help but gush about how much I love this product. All gardeners and urban homesteaders who are interested in having chickens in your backyard, I urge you to go and check out these great DIY plans that range all the way from beginner to advanced, from tiny flocks to large chicken productions that you can have on your property. I really am enjoying the aesthetic of these beautiful coops, and there's something that will fit every kind of style. They have modern looking ones, really cute looking ones, tiny, really classic appearing ones that you can walk straight into, and little ones that you can move around your yard as well. There's really something for everyone. And they've really taken every detail into mind, from predator proofing to insulating to making sure that there's adequate ventilation and high ceilings so that if you want a walk-in coop, there's an easy version of that for you to build, or an advanced version if you happen to be a bit better with your tools. And they're all clearly labeled so you can easily pick which one you want. The makers of Easy Coops have even gone to the trouble to write helpful articles about how to make sure you have the right permits and permissions to build a chicken coop, how to make sure that you're budgeting for a chicken coop correctly, and laying it all out just to make it a really nice, smooth process. And they even have email support for those who purchase their plans. And one of the things I really love about this is that it's just making chicken keeping so easy and accessible and enjoyable for lots of people like me who are really loving having chickens in the backyard. And if you're looking for a coop that you want to maybe modify or build exactly as it is, I urge you to go and have a look at these gorgeous plans. Now, like I said, I'm not paid or asked to make this video at all, but I will tell you, I do have an affiliate link, which if you click on it and you do make a purchase through it, does give me a little bit of money at no extra cost to you. You don't need to use it at all, but if you do want to, it's down in the description below. Either way, if you're in the market or in the thought process of adding chickens to your homestead or garden or whatever you want to call it, please go check out Easy Coops. Go through the link that I have, or you can use Google yourself, and however your garden grows, keep growing as a gardener.